Here's a setup tour and updates since moving to a new location. Unfortunately, now a new, smaller room. The 8-foot table, furniture, and other various office equipment were organized to maintain a spacious and practical work area. I was able to utilize multiple butcher block tables as tabletops. Unfortunately, one of them was cut to be 4 foot long, which is the standard length of desktops nowadays, and I paired it with the adjustable sit and stand desk legs. This became really useful because it adjusts to any height that I need to shoot videos or strip down products like tech or 3D prints. A separate 8-foot butcher block table was anchored to the wall as a floating desk, which holds both PC setups. The setup on the left is an older PC that I assembled back in 2020. This PC has an older AM4 chip, the 3800X, and it is paired with the Asus GTX 1080 Ti. The PC to the right has the Ryzen 7 5800X, and it is paired with a Founders Edition RTX 3070 Ti. Another major change that I made to this setup is the monitor. Previously, I had a Samsung 43-inch ultrawide that I loved using. However, I moved to a new monitor, the Odyssey G9. Comparing the two monitors, you will find that the Odyssey G9 has a better resolution with a higher pixel density at 5120 by 1440. The G9 also has a faster refresh rate at 240 Hz compared to the old 120 Hz. The G9 effectively replaces the need for a multi-monitor setup because I have one monitor that could do it all. Immersion is the first thing you will notice in games, even when playing competitive shooters like the Finals, Fortnite, Apex, or Valorant. You could also get the best screen real estate when editing videos because your entire timeline is all on one monitor. Lastly, when 3D designing, it makes it very easy to look at your entire project without zooming in all the time. Moving on to the next addition in my setup, it would have to be the Audient Evo 4, which is an audio interface that is connected to the Shure SM7. This has improved my audio quality by having a smart auto gain feature, which automatically adjusts your voice to avoid clipping. Lastly, the updated keyboard has served me well. It was built in a previous video that you could watch down below. The keyboard is a glorious GMMK bare bones that I added Lubed glorious Pandas as well as putting PBT keycaps on them. All links in this setup can be found in the link in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, consider following me on Instagram as well as leaving a like and subscribing. I appreciate you for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.